Alright, mate. XTZ. Yeah, what time do you post that? It's already up. Yeah, you posted at 4 o'clock. It's now 8 o'clock, so you posted 4 hours ago. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it was in here. So it is up a little bit more. Let's look at the yearly. We'll just start here at the top. When these bark back up like this on a yearly basis, it usually implies that the next year is going to go to new all-time highs. It usually implies that this is strong. It usually implies that it's going to go higher. These barring formations on a yearly basis are generally required as strength. You can see that we're even starting to close above all these other yearly closes. Okay, so that's important. So from there, let's just zoom out a little bit now. I mean, you can see that this is, it's a bit of a bull pattern as we looked at on the yearly. XTZ has been extremely choppy overall. I still think that XTZ is probably a $30, $40 coin. Eventually, eventually, it's taken its sweet time about it. I've said that probably since back here somewhere, I would imagine, but I kind of expected it a lot sooner. It's kind of not done anything. It's really just chopped about. The problem here with XTZ is that it's having a red month. Okay, so when it's having a red month, it usually means the upside is limited at this point. And then probably best to be trading a new month. Well, it's up 9% today. And after a 9% pump, it's probably going to get tired. It's probably going to get, especially when it's this close to the end of the. I would say it probably can go higher actually. It's still very choppy in this range. We're having that day up, but I would say a new day is very possible to continue this move up into the red 200 moving average. But it is a red month, so you can't expect too much out of that. I would like to think that you're getting these double wicks down. It's very possible to have a green month next month. The other problem, what is suppressing XTZ, is the red 3-month candle. So again, a new 3-month candle needs to open up and somehow flip green, a little bit like what it did last time. But generally, when it's red, it's going to stay red. It's not going to flip green again. So it's saying that the upside is limited. This is an oversold bounce. This 9% up today is an oversold bounce, and that there's unlikely to be too much more upside.